and the position as an elder of the religion. You will not have been the presentation of the certificates as an elder of God's religion at Past Bishop. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.